before we get into this video, I just wanted to say that I know in the comment section there's going to be a load of people saying HForHype is shit, they overprice stuff, and today I want to see if that's true. I have bought a load of clothes, and I was going to do a massive haul together, but I've decided to do it individually. Today I have, here is either a Moncler Maya jacket, picture on the screen right now, or it is the Supreme X Champion hoodie on screen right now. But other than that, guys, let's get into the video. Oh yeah! What's going on, guys? It's your boy Tyler here, back with another hitting video. Today we have, well, we're going to be doing a review today, seeing if HForHype is good or bad. But yeah, let's get into it. Right, so like I said in the intro bit, this can either be the Supreme X Champion hooded sweatshirt, or it could be my Moncler Maya jacket. Either way, one of them, well, both of them altogether, I think this is about a £500, about £600 haul from HForHype. I know a lot of people don't like them, but you know, I've never seen any of their clothes before. I've never reviewed any. But yeah, just a disclaimer, I obviously don't condone buying fakes and stuff. These are replicas. But today I want to see if they're good replicas or bad replicas. Right, so we'll open it up, and I think it is the Moncler Maya. From what I can see, yep, we got a Moncler bag. Nice Moncler bag. What is amazing is they actually gave me, I don't know if you can see, but they gave me DHL Express when I only paid for DHL, like the standard edition. So this came, it got shipped on the 30th of November.
My camera cut out there, but basically it got shipped on the 30th of November and it arrived today, which is the 2nd of December, which is only 3 days, which is mad.
We're also going to do like a legit check, I guess. I know it's a fake and stuff, but we are going to do a legit check. But this is the packaging, a very nice Moncler bag. Also got a very nice zip as well, so we're going to unzip this. I got this in a large. Okay, okay, doesn't smell at all, which is good. Oh, this is what we're talking about. There's a couple loose threads, but this looks really small, to be honest. I don't know if this is going to fit me, but, okay, let's bring you over here. So, we've now got the jacket. First of all, yes, it's really nice. You've got the zips and stuff. I don't know if you can see there. Nice zips. Open it up. You've got the duck print there. I don't think this is 100% accurate. First of all, the stitching there is not too good, and the stitching there isn't too good as well. Stitching on here, is it very clean? I can't really see. No, it's not clean across here. I don't know if you can see that. It's not clean across there and not clean across there. It's got the size tag there. Looking at the badge, which is on this arm, the badge, super clean. This badge is really good compared to other fakes. It's got a bit of loose threads and stuff. But yeah, you got the buttons as well. Moncler, saying Moncler on here. But yeah, the badge is super good. The only downside is the zips. You know, they've got Moncler and stuff on, but the back of the zips here, they don't have the right description. It's meant to say Lampo on the back, but on here it literally just says, what does it say? It just says some like Chinese bit across there. If you can see, that's like a downside. I'm pretty sure let me just put you up here a minute. There we go. The tags are inside the little pocket here, so we're just going to go through the tags. But yeah, you've got the little Surrey logo thing here. I think that's meant to be a pink line. Yeah, all the tags look really good. But yeah, I mean, the only downside I would say is the print across here, you know, and across here. Well, the print's fine. I think it's a bit too bright, if I'm honest. I know the Moncler jackets are meant to have, it's meant to be lighter, well, darker. I mean, sorry. It's got the size tag here, but then this just a bit here. The down feels pretty good. I haven't really held a real Moncler jacket, but yeah, I mean, it feels really, really nice. Tags you get like little metal tag here and stuff like that. There's a little cardboard tag here. The sizes and stuff are here. I did just try it on. I will try it on in a minute, but I got a size 3, which is a large, which here it is, which is a large. I should have got an extra large really, but that is just me. But I will be wearing like a hoodie and stuff underneath, so I won't actually have to zip this up. But yeah, I mean, this is a one-on-one replica jacket, in my opinion. Like I said, the logo, as you can see, I will put the real logo here or anything you can compare it. But yeah, super clean, if I'm honest. There is a bit of loose threads around here. Oh, there we go. I just taken it off. But yeah, the logo super, super clean, if I'm honest. Really, really nice. It's not thin or anything, which is good. But yeah, the only three downsides I would say is, four downsides. Stitching isn't perfect on here and here. They don't have the Lampo zips and stuff like this. But other than that, this jacket is a one-on-one replica. You wouldn't get called out for this. Let's try it on. Right, so I got the jacket on. You might see like a solar flare up here, but as you can see, super, super clean. We're gonna do it up now, and as you know, I did say I bought this in a size large, and I wish I bought it in an XL because I can't. Well, it fits me perfectly, but I prefer having like a bit of room in it, and I didn't know that. I've never seen Moncler, but as you can see, it fits perfectly like it should. But I like to have room and stuff. But yeah, I mean, this is pretty one-on-one. I will let it sit out and stuff. The cuff's very nice. If I'm honest, it does feel like a bin bag, but that is the style of the jacket. Taking around the jacket as a side view there. There's the back. It has got a hood on as well, which is detachable. If I can even find the hood. But yeah, oh, okay. But yeah, it has got a hood on and stuff. If I can do it up. I'm going to try anyway. But yeah, nice hood and stuff. Another good thing is the buttons. The poppers here, they don't have, it says Moncler on it. There you go, it says Moncler, which is good. If it had 6 stars, so like stars going all around, that's an obvious fake. But yeah, super, super clean badge. Super clean. This is a one-on-one in my opinion. This is really, really nice. Am I going to be wearing this out? Maybe, yeah, I might wear this out. But yeah, I mean, like I said, one-on-one this is really, really nice. The buttons are really nice as well. They all say Moncler. But now let's get down to business. Right, so now you're going to ask me, is it worth the $175, I think it was? I think it was $175 that I paid for it. In my opinion, no. It only cost me around about £120 because I am from the UK. But if I was honest, this jacket to me feels like like an £80-90 jacket. They've done really, really well, to be honest. They've done really well. Logo, absolutely amazing. You're not going to get called out for this jacket. But yeah, I mean, like I said, the only thing that's wrong with the jacket is the stitching around here in the back, the no Lampo zips, and that's pretty much it, to be honest. This is really nice. It's not, I don't think it's as puffy as the real one, but you do have to let it sit and stuff. There is a few, so you got some little duck goose fur or whatever you call it. But yeah, really, really nice jacket. Do I recommend buying it? Yeah, if you want a super, super clean one, in my opinion, you might be able to find better ones on the internet, But this is my first ever one and first ever review from HForHype. Yeah, if you enjoyed it, remember to smash like and subscribe to the channel. I just realised they have little poppers here. I didn't realise that. But yeah, I have 3 more reviews coming up. I have a Canada Goose jacket that I bought from them. I also have a Supreme box logo hoodie, and I have the Supreme Champion hoodie, which should be on its way. I don't actually know where it is because I ordered it in the same order. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.